Hey, do you want to learn how to download and install Gameloop on your PC or laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. With Gameloop, you can run any Android game or app on your PC. So let's get to it. All you need to do is go over here on Chrome and then search for Gameloop. Click on enter on your keyboard, then click on this first link that says gameloop.com. Go inside it, then click on this download on the top right. It's going to download this .exe file to your computer. Just click on it to install it. Make sure to press yes on the pop-up, and after that you're going to find this. You can directly install it if you want, or you can also go with installation options. With this, you can choose a folder where you want to install. So just go over here on browse and then make a new folder somewhere over your other drives and then install it. So I'm just going to click on install here, and it's going to start downloading the Gameloop to our computer. Start button to start it. And that's it. Now we're inside Gameloop. Now you can scroll down and find the app or game that you want to install. For example, I'm going to click on this Granny Chapter 2. Click on install here, and there you go. The game is now working and you can play it. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. On the right hand side, you can find more Gameloop and other tech related tutorials. See you there, and bye for now.